What is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? VLOOKUP looks for a value in the first column of a selected range of columns, then returns a value from the same row in another column that you choose. In this watch sales example, when you look up Leo Barrett in column A, VLOOKUP finds his row, then moves 3 columns across to return the watch model from column C. XLOOKUP begins with the lookup value, then you give one range to find the lookup value in, and a second range to find the return value in. You can then add some custom text to show if the value isn't found. Match mode has several options compared to VLOOKUP's 2 options, exact and approximate match. And search mode gives the option to search first to last or in reverse through the search array. One of the advantages of XLOOKUP is that when you add another column to your data table, VLOOKUP malfunctions because it's still looking 3 columns across from the first one in the lookup array. But with XLOOKUP, Excel automatically updates the ranges after you add a column in. So no matter how many columns you put in, the lookup and return arrays will always remain the same. Another very useful feature of XLOOKUP is that you can use both vertical columns and horizontal rows for the lookup arrays. So XLOOKUP can be used in place of both the VLOOKUP and its horizontal equivalent, the HLOOKUP.